How to open Hong Leong bank account. Hey everyone, in this video I'll walk you through the steps to open a Hong Leong bank account online. Let's get started. First, navigate to the official Hong Leong bank website. Make sure you're on the correct site for your security. On the homepage, look for the Accounts or Personal Banking menu. Click on it to see the various account options available. Browse through the different types of accounts offered, such as savings accounts, current accounts, or special accounts. Click on the account type that suits your needs to learn more about it. Once you've selected the account you want, click on the Apply Now or Open Account button. This will take you to the online application form. Complete the online application form with your personal details, including your name, identification number, address, contact number, and other required information. Ensure that all information is accurate. You may be required to verify your identity by providing additional documents. This could include a copy of your identification card or passport. Follow the instructions provided to upload your documents. Before submitting, take a moment to review all your information to ensure it's correct before making any necessary changes. Once everything is in order, submit your application. You should receive a confirmation email acknowledging that your application is being processed. Your application will be reviewed by Hong Leong Bank and you'll be notified of the outcome. This may take a few days. After approval, you can set up your online banking profile, which will allow you to manage your account, transfer funds, and check your balance easily. And that's it. You now know how to open a Hong Leong bank account online. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching.